Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashmita and I hope you all are doing well. And I'm going to be reacting to a song by Rap Demon. This came almost like a week back, more than a week back. And the song is called Hum. There is an official music video for this. And I'm really excited to listen to it because it's Rap Demon. So yes, it's a really talented artist. And I don't want to delay this any further. Let's just get right into the reaction. All right, here we go. Let me just first see अगर उन्होंने he has given his comment is pinned, so the verses are there. So let's listen to the song first and then we'll look into the lyrics. Okay. Okay, it's from his EP.
Are you gonna listen when I talk? मैं शहर से दूर तो vibe off. मैं खुद से ही पूछूं कि क्या है खौफ. मैं खुदा से पूछूं कि क्या है मौत. अब रात के बज चुके 2:30. हसास मैं सोचें भी साइको. वो पास नहीं तभी तो eyes closed. वो खास वो मेरी ये high zone. Baby तू lady and I'm dumb. I love that you love me when I don't. मैं इधर से उधर when I'm home. Anxiety के टूटते cyclones. वो कर रही calls but I'm gone. I swear मुझे पता नहीं कहाँ है phone. She thinks that I'm fucking a side hoe. I am but I do wanna kind of. वो तंग मेरे नशों से, वो तंग मेरी चरसों से, वो समझती नहीं है ये. मैं तंग बैठा बरसों से और सोया नहीं परसों से. मैं नफ्स के लफड़ों में, मैं शख्सी वो नहीं हूँ अब. किस कफस में पकड़ोगे? माँ तेरे कदमों में जन्नत और मैं तुझसे दूर एक दोज़ख में. आजकल जब बेटा तेरा बाहर जाता तो लोग आके फोटो लें. पर ये मेरे विजन को समझे ना देखे नहीं इनकी वो फोकल लेंथ. और चौड़े में बोलूं मैं हेटर्स को भिड़ लो you know who you fucking with. करो मैं कर चुका, मारोगे मर चुका. हंसता जब लौंडा कोई कहता वो मुझसे बड़ा फैन है अंजुम का. मैं चल चुका राह जनून पे साथ जनूनी कमाल है. कुछ रिश्ते खून के रिश्तों से बढ़कर है सोमी मिसाल है. ये दर्द ही ना होते तो
Wow, the way he's changing
मैं शायर ही ना
his voice.
होता. नशे आंखों से ही होते तो जॉइंट फायर ही ना होता. तेरी सादगी के मारे हम I'm feeling kinda tired and numb. दुनिया देती हमको ताने पर अब तो हो चुके तुम्हारे हम. कांपते हाथों से लिखना इन रातों को कर देता सर. मैं करवटें बदलूं के ख्वाबों को नजर लगाते हैं दर्द. मैं सबर तो रख लूं पर मेरा लिहाज ना करेगा वक्त. तसव्वुर ही कर लो कुछ बातें कसम से अब कर रहे हो हद. कांपते हाथों से लिखना इन रातों को कर देता सर्द. मैं करवटें बदलूं के ख्वाबों को नजर लगाते हैं दर्द. मैं सब्र तो रख लूं पर मेरा लिहाज ना करेगा वक्त. तसव्वुर ही कर लो कुछ बातें कसम से अब कर रहे हो हद. तब बोलो खुद गर्ज या समझो ये खुद ही हम खुद की ही सोचेंगे. जो समझेंगे साथ है जो ना ये समझे वो दूर होंगे होते रहें. वो कहते के हाथों से मौके गए. मैं कहता ना हम जैसे होके गए. जो हंगामा बरपा वो धोखे थे. हम तभी वीरानी के होते रहे. हो पेरेंट ड्राइंग के फैंस की कभी ना हो दिल आजारी भरोसा ये टूटे ना. हम साहिल से आ चुके दूर ना कांटे ना फूल. जो टूटा वो डूबेगा. फिर लहरों से लड़कर हम लौटे जो साहिल पे तो क्या तुम हमको समेटोगे. बैक टू रियलिटी ऑल दिस इंसैनिटी हिटिंग मी हार्ड लाइक हेरोइन्स. है जब से भी चला हमारा बस. हम तब से कसम से के नारा कश. खामोश हूँ तो बेवकूफ ना समझ सवाल उठाना दोबारा मत. खुदारा वक्त किसी का सगा नहीं होता इस घड़ी से यारी बस मतलब की. सुकून की चार एक हम सांसें ही ले लें पर बातें ये रह चुकी हसरत सी. ये दर्द ही ना होते तो मैं शायर ही ना होता. नशे आंखों से ही होते तो जॉइंट फायर ही ना होता. तेरी सादगी के मारे हम I'm feeling kinda tired and numb. दुनिया देती हमको ताने पर अब तो हो चुके तुम्हारे हम.
My God, this is so sad. Beautiful. Oh, he only directed it along with one more person, Noman Hassan. Okay. That is Brown Boy, that's the EP name. My God. Beautiful. It's beautifully sad. You know, वो बोलते हैं ना, there is beauty in sadness. This is that. This is that. Oh wow. This is another side of him that I'm seeing. This is another side of him that I'm seeing. And his expressions were so like on point in the video. Just talk, you see that, you know, even if you're seeing that it's a normal video, but the first time if you see, like, it looks like a very normal video, but as the video progresses, it's just the camera work. I feel the DOP has done a great job. It's just the camera work, how the color is changing. There's this haunting feeling to it. There's this haunting feeling to it. It's just him sitting and singing. There is this you know, under construction area where you see the stairs and all of that. So he's sitting there, he's singing. Then there was the visual at the end जहाँ पे दारू की बोतलें रखी थी and all of that. Then when he says that line, ये दर्द ना होता तो शायर नहीं बनता मैं, and you see all the papers that are around. Look, it's the small these little details which are very, very symbolic, I feel. So you can say that, yeah, there is beauty in the simplicity also. I like that how I wouldn't say plain, but yeah, sort of how plain the video is. It's just the color scheme that has been used so well. It's the color scheme for the video that gives it so much depth. I especially loved the reddish palette, and that was nice. And I liked that the entire thing. I think very few places you see the full width screen, but it's mostly it's the square screen actually. So that's about the video. He looks sad. He looks like he's in pain. So that depiction of what he's feeling, that I could see while he was, you know, shooting this. So this was nice. The video was actually, I liked that it was so simple and nothing too much. Not a lot of camera movements. It's actually the color grading that works for me over here. So let me just go to the pinned comment. Look at the verse. Are you gonna listen when I talk? Oof, the first line itself. The first line itself. Are you gonna listen when I talk? Because I feel listening is a very, very good skill. Not a lot of people, like, we want everybody to listen to us, but are you gonna listen when I am talking? Are you gonna pay attention or not? So that's a good question. That, like, the way he starts with this line only, that says a lot. That sets the tone for the song, I feel. मैं शहर से दूर तो वाइब ऑफ, मैं खुद से ही पूछूं कि क्या है खौफ, मैं खुदा से पूछूं कि कहाँ है मौत. Man, like, yeah, first 4 lines only going into that extremely sad zone. But I like that, you know, this is another side of him that we always feel that, at least for male hip hop artists, we always have this image in our head, like the cool, they're savage and all of that. That's the feel I get from hip hop, that everybody, yeah, the gangster signs and all of that. So this is a side which is the sensitive side of that artist, and I am glad that, especially, you know, I like that when male artists show their sensitive side, because the problem is that when men show their sad side, or when they're trying to, you know, express their emotion and feeling, they get laughed at, which I do not like, you know. And the worst line I can you know, that I listen to is कि तुम लड़की जैसे behave क्यों कर रहे हो, मतलब as if being an emotional person is a bad thing. So that is something which is unacceptable to me, at least. So when I see songs like this, they're all वो gangster cypher और वो सब तो अच्छा ही है, but when I see songs like this also, from the same artist who has written something like Gauntlet 2.0, because first wala Gauntlet to maine suna nahi hai, but just to see these two songs are like polar opposites. But when an artist does this, like, I feel very happy, because that gives me an entire picture of that artist as a full human being. कि हाँ ये भी एक साइड एग्जिस्ट करता है that he is willing to share. So firstly तो kudos to Rap Demon for that, really. So yeah, going back to the verses. Let me see couple of lines. वो खास वो मेरी है High Zone. This is his label only ना, High Zone Records. Baby तू Letty and I am Dom. I'm missing some reference here, Letty and Dom का. Is this a Fast and Furious reference? Wait, let me just see. Let me see. Letty and Dom. हाँ, Fast and Furious. Exactly. वही मैं सोचूं कहाँ, where have I heard these names? Yes. Simple Google search saves you a lot of time ना. So baby तू Letty and Dom. Yeah. I love that you love me when I don't. मैं इधर से उधर. Yeah, anxiety के टूटे cyclones. Wow. This is really like this sort of lately personal feelings that he's sharing over here. कर रही थी calls when I'm gone. I swear मुझे पता नहीं कहाँ है phone. Yeah, okay, fine. Correct. वो तंग मेरे नशों से, वो तंग मेरी चरसों से, वो समझती नहीं है, मैं तंग बैठा बरसों से. Because a lot of people don't share ना कि बहुत लोगों की आदत होती है कि अपने तक ही रखते हैं अपना दुख दर्द, and then sort of miscommunication happens. So then you find solace in other things where you want to feel numb. So you start drinking, or maybe you start doing, you know, some kind of, जैसे उसने बोला ना कि मैं तू तंग मेरी चरसों से, so smoking up and all of that. So yeah, not that I agree to it कि मतलब ऐसा करना चाहिए. Always better to talk about your feelings. That's what I feel. सोया नहीं मैं परसों से, and then what else? माँ तेरे कदमों में जन्नत और मैं तुझसे दूर. Very emotional, like really emotional stuff over here. आजकल जब बेटा तेरा बाहर जाता है तो लोग, because he's established himself, तो लोग फोटो लेना चाहते हैं, पर ये मेरे विजन को समझे ना देखे ना इनकी वो फोकल लेंथ. What got it? और चौराहे में बोलूँ मैं haters को build and you'll know who they're fucking with. Wow. हुक तो बहुत ही बढ़िया था इसका. And I liked in the song how जब वर्स गा रहा है तो उसका पिच अलग है गाने का, मतलब रैप करने का, and then when the hook comes in the voice goes even deeper. So I like that difference. That was really well done. ये दर्द ही ना होते तो मैं शायर ना होता. Yeah. So this is like, you know, how I channelized my pain into a positive way. नशे आंखों से ही होते तो joint fire नहीं होता. Wow, that hits you, man. Really, that hits you. तेरी सादगी के मारे हम feeling kind of tired and numb. दुनिया देती है हमको ताने पर, अब तो हो चुके तुम्हारे हम. Wow. But ये किसको रेफर कर रहा है, अब तो हो चुके तुम्हारे हम? Is he referring to the art of hip hop? हाँ, कि अब तो मैं I've surrendered to this art. Is it referring to that? कांपते हाथों से लिखना इन रातों को दर्द देता सर्द को कर देता सर्द. मैं करवटें बदलूं. Oh, this was also pretty, you know, chilling, like gave me goosebumps. कि मैं करवटें बदलूं कि ख्वाबों को नज़र लगाते हैं ये दर्द. वाओ. मैं सब्र तो रख लूँगा पर मेरा लिहाज नहीं करे वक्त. So if I'm being like, I like this because this I could relate to, that you know, even if you're patient sometimes when the time passes by, but if you're keeping your patience, if you're, you know, saying ki haan everything will be fine, and time passes by, but it does not, nothing good is happening, but you're waiting patiently for, things to settle down and, things to fall into place. But you lose time, and sometimes your patience will also break. Like कितना ही patience रखोगे आप एक point के बाद. Everybody is a human being. Wow. तसव्वुर ही कर लो कुछ बातें. I don't know what तसव्वुर means, so I can't really comprehend this line, guys. जो समझेंगे साथ है, वो ही समझेंगे वो दूर होंगे. Yes, fine. I'm just seeing if any line is like something that I did not understand, so I'll just highlight that. खामोश हूँ तो बेवकूफ ना समझ. Yeah, don't take my silence. सवाल उठाना दोबारा मत. I don't know why people think that, if you're silent, that's a sign of weakness. That has happened many times. It's actually not. And in today's world, I feel that you really need to pick your battles. Silence is golden, I feel. तेरी सादगी के मारे हम. So it ends with the hook. So तेरी सादगी के मारे I don't think he's talking about a specific person, but he's talking about hip hop as an art form. That's what I feel like. But wow, I just want to give a huge round of applause. This is the song, I mean, you have to have a heart of stone for you not to get moved by this song. It's very moving. It's beautiful. It's absolutely, it's hauntingly mesmerizing, I feel. This is a side of Rap Demon. Once again, when I was like, chalo ye gana aaya hai, नया गाना ड्रॉप हुआ है, I have to react to this. So I was like कि पता नहीं कैसा होगा, because it's Rap Demon. But wow. So this I feel that starting from Gauntlet 2.0 till Hum, I feel that I've come full circle in understanding him as an artist. That's what I feel. And I love this variety, that I'm getting from the same artist in terms of such amazingly beautiful emotional songs also, and firecracker songs as well. This is very classy. This song, that's the word which is coming in my mind. Hauntingly beautiful, sad, and classy. So yeah, that's my verdict for the song. This is going to my playlist for sure. Wow, absolutely brilliant. So that was the reaction, guys, to Rap Demon's Hum official music video. I definitely want to know your thoughts. First time when you listen to the song, how did it make you feel? And yes, I will end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed this reaction and have come till the end. And I will sign off now, and I will see you soon on my next video. Bye.